Have you ever opened your phone's camera roll and found random pictures you don't remember taking? Maybe a photo of someone you don't know. You're not losing it. It's probably WhatsApp automatically saving photos and videos from your chats to your gallery. This can quickly fill up your phone and waste your storage space. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos to your phone, first on Android, then on iPhone. Let's get started. On Android, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right, and go to Settings. Next, tap Chats, then turn off Media Visibility. This will stop all media from being saved to your gallery automatically. If you only want to stop saving media from certain chats or groups, open that chat, tap the name at the top, select Media Visibility, and choose No. That specific chat will no longer save any photos or videos to your gallery. Now for iPhone users, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and toggle off Save to Camera Roll. That prevents all chats from saving media to your Photos app. To do it for a specific chat, open the chat, tap the name at the top, select Save to Camera Roll, and choose Never. That chat will stop adding photos to your camera roll. Here's my personal WhatsApp workflow. I keep the default setting off so nothing gets saved automatically, and then I manually enable it for trusted chats only. If there's a photo I actually want, I just tap and save it myself. That way I stay in full control, no random images, no clutter, and that's it. Now your camera roll will stay clean and organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful and quick fixes like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.